This is Bernadette from the Sachem Public Library, here to show you how to find out what your New York City ancestors' homes looked like in the 1940s. So for this tutorial, you'll need to have access to an ancestor that is listed in the 1940s census and that lived in one of the 5 boroughs at that time. You can access the 1940s census on a couple of different websites, such as Ancestry.com, FamilySearch.org, and FindMyPast.com. With FamilySearch and FindMyPast, you'll need to create a free account. Here is an example of one I found on Ancestry.com. The information that we need from this record is the street name, house number, and the borough where they lived, which in this case is Kings, also known as Brooklyn. If it wasn't indexed, I can simply view this information on the actual census page. So I can find the street name on the left, along with the house number for my ancestor, and if I drag up, I can see the borough. Now that I know the address of my ancestor, I'm going to go to the website maps.nyc.gov. This link and the other link we'll use for this tutorial will be listed in the description box below. Then we're going to type in that address into the bar at the top and press enter. The building that I'm looking for is highlighted in red on the map, and the information that I need from this website is the block and lot number on the right. So I'm going to use the block number 5805 and lot number 7, and I'm going to go to the website nycma.lunaimaging.com. This takes us to the New York City Municipal Archives collection, which has over 1.6 million historical images such as photographs, maps, and documents. From here, we're going to go to the sidebar and find the tax photo collection that corresponds with the borough that I'm looking for. For this example, I'm going to be looking for the Brooklyn tax photos. And I'm brought to the Brooklyn 1940s tax photos collection. From here, we're going to use that block and lot number, and we're going to type them into the search bar by typing in block equals 4805 and lot equals 7, and then enter. And here's my image. The block and lot number correspond to what I entered, and the address matches the address that I found in the census. So to get a closer look, I simply click, and I'm brought to a bigger version. From here, I can zoom in or out and drag. I'm also given information on the sidebar, such as the block and lot number again, the address, and the year the building was built. And that's it! I hope that gives you a bit of an insight into what your ancestors' lives may have looked like in the 1940s. Thank you for watching, and happy researching!